Hey guys, welcome to Crazy Days and welcome to the Queendom. Look at this, isn't that awesome? Sunflowers. This is the 1st of May, like May the 3rd or 4th. I don't even know the date right now, but it's the 1st of May and I have a sunflower. Or 2. Or 3. Almost 4. 5. And 6. I'm really proud of the Queendom. It's starting to take shape. Things are starting to look awesome. And I'm going to give you a quick little, hey, this is what's going on. Not a full tour, but right there. Look at that. Diva. This is my first cucumber of the season. Look at this. I'm taking it because I've been waiting so long. I don't care if they get bigger. But isn't that pretty? I'm going to have a cucumber with my supper tonight. Danny picked zucchini. I made zucchini spaghetti in the oven. We've got squash. Y'all, I'm going to have a cucumber. I can't wait. We've got plenty of onions, so I made all kinds of good stuff. Look at this. The mums are going to be blooming shortly. You see right there? Ha! It's coming, guys. This is going to be full bloom across there before long. A few of the beans on this side are starting to pop. Got a few potatoes coming back up too. I told you guys, the potatoes will start coming, so I'm going to be trying the potatoes and the beans, which probably are not kosher together, but that's okay. Radishes. Told you I have trouble with radishes, but I see one trying occasionally. We're going to see. That's 2 different types of radishes blooming this week. These beans starting to put on runners. That little fuzzy bug, I don't know, he's got to go. We don't need him in here making issues. The corner's doing pretty good over here. My flowers are coming out. More color. Look at that. Oh, wow. Petunias. Look how green. It's my peppercorn. It's coming out doing really, really good. Squash. I'm going to be able to harvest my own squash. I think I've harvested one out of here already, so this is going to be one of my squash plants. I've got one on the other side. The beans that I planted on this side are starting to come out. The tomatoes over here have little tomatoes, so they're doing great. The English peas, it's getting too hot for them. It's been really nearly 100 degrees some days in here. Even with the fans, it gets up to 90. So I've been letting the English peas just do their thing, but they'll be out of here. But all the beans and the tomatoes on this side are doing great. The eggplant puts on blooms, but it's mainly male blooms right now. So we're going to wait and see if we get an eggplant shortly. More flowers. Lots of color in here. Lots of color. And look at this peppercorn. The color is amazing. And this little plant is just going to town. Another peppercorn. Look at the purple flowers. And look at the lavender. I'm actually growing lavender in here. Isn't that awesome? Now look at these. These tomatoes are just going all over the place. They've got little blooms everywhere. I found a tomato or 2 in there somewhere. Miss Lippy's basil coming out across there. Tomatoes everywhere. They're almost as tall as my fence. And then Miss Lippy brought me a squash. Look, Lippy, I got a squash and a couple of 3 little ones all under there. And look at the popcorn. Gosh, it's getting close to a foot tall. It's about time to add some more fertilizer to it. Isn't that awesome? I'm loving it. Popcorn. And another peppercorn that's doing really good. And look at this, more color. Lantana. This thing's been here a couple of years. It is doing great. The chard bed, it's starting to come up, so we're going to see how it does. Mint is hanging in there. More color. All in here. Lots of color. These are the Cherokee yellow wax beans. I already picked some yesterday, but they're blooming. They're going everywhere. And look, there's a bean down there. And I see a bean up here, 2 or 3 of them. I can pick again tomorrow, but they are looking great. And these are my bush beans. You see, they're going to be loaded. Loaded, loaded. They're all over the place. Making an awesome appearance here. A little more color here. And the ginger and turmeric here. Turmeric back there. Ginger coming up. And more color. Look at this, my GreenStalk. Show you. Voila! If you want a GreenStalk, they're on sale right now with my discount under $100. They're like $109. You get a $10 off. GreenStalk, check them out. Vertical planters. All you moms need one for Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day, everybody. I hope you enjoyed my quick little tour. Showed you my sunflowers and everything that's going on in here. I'm really excited. I can't wait to show you next month how this thing is doing. From one month to the next, it changes drastically. Thank you guys from Crazy Days.